Hey guys, welcome back to my tutorial series about TypeScript. In this series, we're going to set up our environment that everything works fine with TypeScript. So first of all, we need to download Node.js. You can just go to this link. I also put it down in the description. Over this link, you download it, in my case, for Mac, in your case, Windows or Linux. And Node.js is for running JavaScript and TypeScript in your local computer, because normally JavaScript is only run on the browser, so you can't compile it or execute it in your computer in your terminal. So after we did it, we're going through the installation and so on, and then we need to choose our editor of choice. So there are like three main editors from JetBrains, WebStorm. This is really good, but it's only 30 days for free, and which means you need to pay for it, and it's not that cheap, I guess. Yeah, 195 euros per year, which is really expensive if you don't make money enough for this. Then the cheap alternative is Visual Studio Code, which maybe 90% of all developers use. This is completely free, and TypeScript is also integrated to it. And my choice is NeoVim. NeoVim is a terminal-based editor, which is based on Vim. It's just more convenient for me because I don't need to use my mouse and anything, but you can still follow this tutorial series with all of these three editors. So now we're going to install TypeScript in our terminal. You can open it in Visual Studio Code, in WebStorm, or just open the command line tool on your operating system. After you install Node.js, you should have access to the command npm to check if you have it. And type npm -- version, and there you should see it. And now we want to install TypeScript via npm. So we type npm I for install, then the package we want TypeScript. There's G for global, that it is available on all our computer. So then it's downloading something, and it's done. So some brief overview, what we can also use and what we need is GitHub. You can just sign in, create an account, and so on. And I will create a repository. Repository means that it's a folder inside Git and everything. Everyone can view it, and I can make changes, and you will be able to see it. Also in the description, you will find a link to it. And then there's something called ESLint. ESLint is for linting the errors, which you can see here. Collection constant that it's error. This is really useful for development. And then the next thing is prettier. Prettier is some formatter that it's everything in a norm. So the code was looking like this before prettier, and after prettier it is looked like this. Still looks kind of weird, so you can, if you want, you can put like 120 there on the print width. You can play around with this. I will also put a link in the description here. And then it looks like this. It's a bit more convenient to read. So now that TypeScript is installed on our PC, we should be able to program our first TypeScript file in the next video. I hope you enjoyed it, and leave a like and comment down below.